to in Amsterdam. I'll tell you what tour to take, where to find some bomb street food, and more. Hey everyone, my name is Haley, and this is Plane to Champagne, your solo girl's guide to travel. Meeting up for my free tour of the city. It's 3 hours long. It's supposed to take you to all the important things. So I'm really excited. You can see the little red umbrellas over there. If you're looking for a quick overview of the city, you know, a little bit of history, a little bit of pop culture, a little bit of food, I recommend this tour. We saw a lot of cool stuff, like this enclosed courtyard. It has been a sanctuary for Catholic women since the 14th century. Make sure to keep an eye out for these gable stones. Before houses were numbered or people could read, these were used to represent houses or businesses. So I just finished up with my tour. It was about 3 hours long and we covered a lot of the city, which was great. And of course it's a free tour, so you do tip at the end. We ended right by the Anne Frank house, which I wish I had bought tickets for in advance. So they only let you buy tickets online and they're timed tickets. So if you're really adamant about seeing the Anne Frank house, make sure you buy that ticket before you get here. And now it was time for lunch, so I decided to hit the street. So if you're here, you definitely have to try the herring. It's a very traditional fish here. They serve it raw, and it's kind of like a raw sushi, but really, really salty. It's pretty good. I'm waiting in line for some fries. They're apparently the best fries in Amsterdam, so let's see. Okay, so I got the fries with the spicy ketchup. It was $3.50 and they are amazing. They were not kidding. This cookie is probably the best cookie I've ever had in my life. It's like chocolate or like a cream on the inside. It's so good. So I just walked through VONDEL Park. It was very nice, big open green space. I think it would be really fun to rent a bike and ride around, but I just don't have the time. For dinner, I went to the food hall. It's basically just a bunch of different food stands in one big hall. And there are so many options. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe below. And you can find links to all of these places on my website at planetochampagne.com. Thanks for watching. Cheers.